Hi everyone! So today's episode is special because it's the one brand that I trust the most as a mom. The brand new Aquaguard Enrich Marvel. Look how sleek this is and nothing like your bulky RO dabba. You know how maintaining a water purifier can be a costly hassle? And I hate changing filters every year. Wait till you see what's truly marvelous. The new Aquaguard Enrich Marvel comes with filters that last for 2 years. The NanoPore filter technology protects against pesticides, microplastics and industrial waste like lead and mercury. An additional Mega Sediment Filter also helps extend filter life. And the Enrich Marvel saves over 40% of water. Can I love it more? It even has a large 6-liter tank. When it comes to purification, Enrich Marvel scores a perfect 10. So if you're a mom who wants the best purifier for your family, change to the new Aquaguard Enrich Marvel with 2-year filter life.